Are Chase credit cards still worth the hype, or have they become more trouble than they're worth? If you've been a loyal Chase user but feel like something's missing lately, you're not alone. What happened to the standout features? Let's explore why Chase cards might not be as powerful as they once were. Problem number 1, lack of coverage in key spending categories. One major issue with Chase credit cards is the lack of consistent rewards in essential categories like groceries, gas, and EV charging. These are everyday expenses, yet Chase relies on rotating categories or temporary bonuses. Waiting for the right quarter to earn rewards on groceries is frustrating. Even the Sapphire Preferred's 3 times points on online groceries feels complicated, with users jumping through hoops like buying gift cards to maximize rewards. Many are starting to question if other cards might offer better, more consistent perks for everyday spending. Problem 2, overlapping categories between cards. Chase cards suffer from major overlap in rewards. Whether it's the Freedom Flex, Freedom Unlimited, or the Sapphire cards, they all offer similar perks in dining, travel, and drugstores. So why bother carrying multiple cards when the benefits are nearly identical? This overlap reduces the value of each card, making it hard to justify keeping more than one. The new Freedom Rise with its 1.5% back on everything only adds to the confusion. How long will users put up with this before exploring better options elsewhere? Problem number 3, subpar customer service. Good customer service is essential for any financial product, but Chase has been slipping. Many cardholders report that representatives often lack the knowledge to handle basic inquiries, especially around complex rules like the 524 rule. And unlike competitors like American Express, Chase still doesn't offer a live chat feature, making problem solving even more difficult. For a company as big as Chase, this outdated approach to customer service is frustrating. Who has time to sit on hold when other issuers offer quick chat support? Problem number 4, rotating quarterly categories that miss the mark. Chase's Freedom Flex and similar cards have rotating quarterly categories, but they don't always align with everyday spending. Sure, grocery stores or Amazon are great when they pop up, but categories like gym memberships or big box stores often feel disconnected from what most people need. It can be frustrating when the rewards don't match your spending, and even when they do, you're limited to $1,500 per quarter. Does it feel worth the hassle to chase those rewards, or is it time to find something that fits your lifestyle more consistently? Problem number 5, the infamous 524 rule. The 524 rule is one of the most frustrating aspects of Chase cards. If you've been approved for 5 or more credit cards in the past 24 months, Chase will automatically deny your next application. While the rule was created to prevent card churners from exploiting sign-up bonuses, it ends up punishing loyal customers who enjoy exploring new card options. For frequent travelers or points collectors, the 524 rule feels restrictive and unnecessarily harsh. Does this rule do more harm than good? Problem 6. Chase ends new applications for the original Freedom Card. Chase has stopped accepting new applications for its original Chase Freedom Card, marking the end of a popular cashback card that offered 5% on rotating categories. However, current cardholders can continue to use it as usual. The Chase Freedom Flex, a more feature-rich successor, remains available, offering broader benefits such as 3% back on dining and 5% on travel through Chase's portal. This closure affects new applicants looking for the simpler classic version of the Freedom Card. Problem 7, outdated reward strategy. Chase's reward strategy feels stuck in the past, as competitors offer higher cashback rates, flexible rewards, and no annual fee travel perks. Chase's offerings seem less competitive. Many users are starting to question if Chase is resting on its reputation rather than keeping up with the evolving credit card market. Why are other issuers able to offer better rewards without the same limitations? Is it time for Chase to step up or risk losing its edge? Chase credit cards have been popular for years, but growing issues like limited rewards, overlapping categories, poor customer service, and the restrictive 524 rule have many reconsidering their loyalty. Are these problems enough to make you switch to a different provider? Make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments if you're moving away from Chase.